Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Nebraska, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Nebraska, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. Thank you. Now, this is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, you can find cryptocurrency news and tips how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and news. So easy. Now we should go list of top cryptocurrencies page. In this page we can get informations about best cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Banker, Ripple, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin, and others. So easy. Firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We should click information button. In this page we can get information about Bitcoin and discount code, kickback code for Binance. So easy. You can use when you registered on Binance. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? We should click Get BTC button. Let's go.